How do DIY repair hobbyists ensure data security during phone repairs? In recent days, the topic of data security during cell phone repairs has gained significant attention. With more people opting for do-it-yourself repairs, understanding how to keep personal information safe is essential. If you are one of those individuals curious about safeguarding your data while fixing your device, you are in the right place. DIY repair hobbyists take several important steps to protect personal data when repairing cell phones, focusing on minimizing data exposure and maintaining device security. First, many ensure device encryption is enabled before starting any repair. Encryption scrambles the data on the phone, so even if someone accesses the internal storage during repair, the data remains unreadable without the user's personal identification number, password, or biometric unlock. This is a key defense against unauthorized data access. Second, hobbyists often back up all important data to secure cloud services or external storage before disassembling the phone. This prevents data loss in case the repair involves parts that affect memory or storage. Using official cloud backups like Samsung Cloud or Google Photos is common for photo and file safety. Third, they disable features that could expose data during repair, such as universal serial bus debugging or automatic unlocking options, which can create vulnerabilities if the phone is connected to other devices. Turning off these settings reduces the risk of data extraction through repair tools. Fourth, some advanced hobbyists use specialized tools designed for safe handling of sensitive components. For example, professional NAND flash programmers and chip-level repair tools allow data reading, writing, and restoration without compromising encryption or security chips. These tools help maintain data integrity during motherboard or sensor repairs. Fifth, hobbyists keep the phone's software and security patches up to date before repair. Updated software often strengthens encryption and fixes vulnerabilities that could be exploited during repair. Finally, many DIYers take physical precautions such as working in clean, static-free environments and handling components carefully to avoid accidental data corruption or hardware damage that could expose data unintentionally. By following these practices, DIY repair hobbyists can effectively protect their personal information during phone repairs.